Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry in QuickBooks. Whether you've made an error or simply need to remove an outdated entry, knowing how to properly delete journal entries ensures your books stay accurate and balanced. First, navigate to the Transactions menu, which you'll find on the left sidebar of your QuickBooks dashboard. This is where you'll access all the financial activity within your account. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This opens up a comprehensive list of all your accounts, giving you a clear overview of where your journal entries are recorded. Next, you need to find the specific account that's related to the journal entry you want to delete. Take a moment to browse through your accounts until you locate the right one. Once you've found it, click on the account name itself. This action will open the account register, which displays all transactions associated with that particular account. Now comes the important part, locating the actual journal entry within the register. Journal entries are typically labeled as journal in either the type or ref number column, making them easier to spot. If you're having trouble finding it among other transactions, consider using the filter option to narrow down your search. This can save you time, especially if you're working with a busy account. Once you've located the journal entry, click on it to open the full details. This gives you a chance to review the entry one more time before deletion, ensuring you're removing the correct transaction. When you're ready, look for the delete button and click it. QuickBooks will then prompt you to confirm the deletion by clicking Yes or OK. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, so double-check before confirming. Here's something crucial to keep in mind. Journal entries typically contain one or more corresponding entries across different accounts to maintain balance. After deleting the entry from the first account, you'll need to do the same on the other account or accounts involved. This step ensures your accounts remain balanced and your financial records stay accurate. Simply repeat the process by navigating to the other account, locating the corresponding journal entry, and deleting it in the same way. And that's it. You've successfully removed the journal entry from QuickBooks while keeping your accounts properly balanced. This process is straightforward once you know where to look, and it's an essential skill for maintaining clean, accurate books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.